What is the number of satellites present in the Iridium system? A. 72, B. 51, C. 66, D. 32. The correct answer is 66. Which frequency band does the direct broadcast satellite system use? A. C band, B. X band, C. Q band, D. MF band. The correct answer is Q band. What type of satellite TV service uses compressed data transmission to beam signals directly to every home? A. Direct broadcast satellite, B. Mobile satellite service, C. Broadcasting satellite service, D. Fixed satellite service. The correct answer is direct broadcast satellite. Which of the following is not a reason for redistributing TV signals through satellites rather than skywaves or spacewaves? A. High-frequency signal, B. Long-distance communication, C. Economically feasible, D. Power requirements. The correct answer is power requirements. What provides the sufficient drive to the final power amplifier? A. Intermediate power amplifier, B. Operational amplifier, C. Power driver circuit, D. Up converter. The correct answer is intermediate power amplifier. Which frequency band is used for connecting the satellite system with the public switched telephone network? A. L band, B. Q band, C. C band, D. Ka band. The correct answer is Ka band. What technique does DSP use to double the number of channels by using helical antennas? A. Spatial isolation, B. Frequency reuse, C. Multiplexing, D. Modulation. The correct answer is frequency reuse. What is the primary use of communication satellites? A. Telephone service, B. Surveillance, C. Research, D. GPS. The correct answer is telephone service.